Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add YouTube channel link to TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device, then go to your profile. Next, tap the Edit button on your profile screen. This will take you to the section where you can customize your account and add links. Here, tap Add Link. But keep in mind that with the new update, TikTok has changed their requirements. Now you need at least 1,000 followers on the account to add or link your social handles. Once you tap on links, then select YouTube. TikTok will prompt you to log in or select the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. You'll be asked for permission. Just tap Allow or Continue to proceed. Once completed, your YouTube channel link will appear as clickable directly on your TikTok profile. Now, whenever someone visits your TikTok and taps this link, they'll be taken straight to your YouTube channel, making it much easier to drive traffic and grow your audience. And that's it. So that is how you can add YouTube channel link to TikTok. So that's all for this video. Thanks.